Says 2014. Here's a baler I picked up at the Pontiac Threshermans Reunion over Labor Day weekend. Wasn't expecting to buy such a thing. It's an international number 50 AW baler with a CUB engine on it. There's a grill for it laying down there. Local scrap man actually brought it in and instead of junking it, said someone hauled it in there. So by the looks of the dirt and rust, been 30 plus years since it's been run. We're going to try to start it here for the first time. Been tinkering with it today, getting a little bit latish. Walk around it here a little bit. Had to take the front grill off to be able to crank it there. It's not where you normally want to crank it. There's a spot here on the gearbox. You can see that there, but I don't have a crank to fit it. Cleaned the carburetor out. Nice clean carburetor. Really good spark. Just filed the points. Has a magneto on it. And water radiator had been drained. We're going to fill that up here and see if she'll fire up. Later on, try to video hopefully of it working. I gotta lube up the twisters and make sure that's all working before we head out. Pretty decent baler. Don't look like it'd been used a lot. Yeah, it's a CUB engine. You can see there's the CUB carburetor. The light's kind of, see if we can focus there. Yeah, IM CUB M26892, engine serial number. You can kind of date these old engines and international parts by the date code. This is a 115X. Right off the top of my head, I can't remember what year the X is. You can see the block part number there. 251341R6. Push stop on it. Whether to try a little. Okay, it's getting a little too dark to continue last night. First try didn't work so well. I decided to check the timing. I had real good spark, but for some reason it appeared the magneto was about 180 degrees off, so I wasn't firing the correct cylinder at the right time. Didn't have a timing mark on the front pulley, so I got the valve cover off. Valves look real clean in there. Valves, none of them appeared to be stuck. And got her firing, I believe it's top dead center. Hopefully I'm not 180 degrees off. So we'll try this again here. Okay, off camera we tinkered some more. I made sure all the valves weren't stuck again. My timing was right again. Got good spark, had gas. We almost got it to fire. We thought it'd be easier to crank over here on the side. You can crank it a little faster. I made me a modified crank out of an H crank. Notched it so when it starts it should throw it out. So we about had her going, so we'll see what happens. Probably my luck it won't start because we had the camera going.